Sunshine, blue skies. Gotta cry.
Here, I'll get her smile from the camera.
I was trying to get her little snarly face. Because she's mean. Oh, look at your little teardrop. Hi. I see your little teeth.
Ow.
Okay, well, tell her no.
I thought you were just getting it for the camera though.
No, you can tell her no still.
No.
Yes, I was trying to get her little fang showing. Tell her no. She doesn't need to bite you.
Look at these little teeth.
Yeah, look at them. Just a mean little dog.
Want to see her do jumping jacks?
You're mean. Oh no, you're gonna make her sick if you do that. Little meanie. You're very cute, but you're mean. You're a little chihuahua. A little chihuahua baby.
Did you get these teeth? Look at these teeth now. Oh wow, look at that glamorous shot of those teeth.
Wow. Aren't you the friendliest looking dog ever, you little gremlin? And we got Lily just chilling and being the perfect little girl over here. And then that. Don't chew my bra. Thank you.
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
What's up?
All the little stuff that I couldn't deal with, I threw in a bag and put on a hanger.
Okay. What'd she find?
What'd you find? What did you find, Mitz?
Clover.
Dogs can have coffee. Did you bring your tongue? If you bring your tongue, Mitz, you better go drink some water.
Don't eat the carpet.
Where's your crinkly toy? Where's your crinkly toy? What's that, Mitzi?
Oh, sorry. Go get it. I threw it. Go get it. Who is it now? There you go. Oh, okay. Bye.
Lily, go eat. Go eat, Lily. Wanna go Lily, wanna go outside? Lily, come on. Come on. Lily.
Go outside, Lo. Where's Clover? Oh, no, you can go with him. He's downstairs. Where's the kitty? Are you going to find the kitty? Clover. Mitzi, come back. Come on. Mitzi, Clover. I see one of you. Where's the other one? Hi. Hey. Be nice. You're being good, Clover. Good girl. She's like unsure. She's like, I want to swat her, but she's a baby. Where'd you go? Come on, Clover. Clover. Mitzi. Hi. You go pee? Oh.
Good. But when it happens, I want it to be because we both need to for the same reason. You don't have to prove anything to me. I just...
doing? I'm very sneezy.
Are you taking a picture
I was gonna take a video.
for
say-
your YouTube?
Yeah, that we're going to get family Christmas photos done. With Lily and me and Taylor and this little surprise nugget. That's a butt. There's your face. There's a cat. The cats aren't coming. Look at their cute little matching sweaters. Aww. Okay, well that part wasn't cute. Don't bite her. Hi Lily. Hi Mitzi. Hey girls. You're in your little lizard sweater. Alright, we should probably go away before the lineup of people start getting angry. Okay.
All right, we're getting a whole fam jam picture.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you have a sweater too.
They're matching sweaters. Hers is for a bearded dragon.
Oh my gosh, I cannot even.
Yeah,
They're
hers is
so
meant for a
sweet. You're gonna sit, absolutely. You're all dressed perfect to sit with Santa. All right. Can we get you to? What do you think? Get in nice and close to Santa there. There it is. What's
Lily.
Yay! Hi. Yay! Hi. Like,
Sure. Yeah.
just go sit with Santa.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
We got
Successful little Christmas photo shoot. Say hi.
Hello.
Thanks. Oh, it's raining. Hi, Lily. Hey, Mitzi. Oh, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Hi, Lily. You're a good girl. Listen to me, one. About nothing and everything all at once. Looks like mustard.
I know.
Yeah, this blanket is still wet. Look at that. Is it too chunky? Did I make it too chunky?
Nope. Just gotta mix it for a little bit.
You think it's actually gonna look gold, or is it gonna look like mustard?
It's gonna look like a hint of sparkles.
Okay.
You
think
can
it
kind of
looks
see it.
Yeah, it looks metallic through my camera. Like, okay, no, now you're in shadow. Lean back so you're not shadowing it. You kind of see the. Looks kind of metallic. Do you see what I'm seeing?
Yeah.
It doesn't look as much on the. Like, it looks more yellow on my camera than it does in person. It looks more brown. Like, more, like, goldy, beigey color.
Mm-hmm.
But you can see the sparkle when you're stirring it. I guess it'll just be a matter of if it actually looks like that once we actually paint.
Yeah.
Oh,
I could do this.
do a little.
This is the. I've only done this a couple times.
Oh, please don't get paint everywhere.
I won't.
Please don't get paint on the cat. This looks. Why do we use power tools for everything? Power
Good.
tools to carve pumpkins. Power tools to stir paint.
I've only got this to work once for me.
POV. You come with me. Oh, unhook your paw. There we go. We got black paint all over the carpet from painting the walls black.
I guess it's not gonna work that way.
Not gonna work. We got a cute little paw print on the wall over here from where an animal touched the wet paint. We got Mitzi sleeping.
Do it look good?
I'm exposing my toe. It looks okay. I don't know, I feel like it has to be like, put a little smear on the puppy pad.
I guess you can see it.
Yeah.
Well, one way to find out. Watch.
Hey, just do a swatch. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere.
Or maybe I'll do the window first.
Smells like paint. Oh, I forgot I'm wearing makeup and I just scratched my face. Also, you see the glitter when you're pouring too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It catches the light when you pour it.
Okay.
So, I guess we'll just see what happens. Do a little swatchy swatch and then we'll go from there. What shade was this one called? Do we remember? This paint color called? Oh, does it say on there?
The honey one.
Honey. Tupelo? 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 What does it say? Honey? Something honey.
Tupelo?
Okay. Oh yeah, you can see the glitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see it more in person than you can on my phone. But yeah, you can see the glitter.
Just pop straight through.
Yeah.
Like it? Hate
Yeah.
it?
I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
I mean,
Are we
So-
doing like right to here?
sure. Do whatever you feel like.
Cover the wood with
I
it?
don't know. Sure. Your call. You're the professional here.
I just started.
Yeah. Perfect.
Too late.
I'm gonna show off the little Wonder Womans here while I'm at it because they're cute. And we just gotta have the Wonder Woman collection grow.
Mm-hmm.
And Taylor has a helper.
Not for that. Not for that.
Oh, okay. Taylor doesn't have a helper. Oh, I feel like I should show this beauty off. Here, let me move my clothes out of the way. Oh, and my therapy book. That's cool. This is our roommate. She is very fashion forward, and her dog. She also has an evil chihuahua. That's the therapy I do, sort of. That's the therapy I'm supposed to do.
What are you doing?
I don't know, not well.
No, what are you doing though?
Painting. I don't think I'm doing it correctly. I'm gonna go up here. Oh no, we're dripping. How am I doing on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10 being the worst.
Real good.
Your side looked much better than mine. And it's satisfying though to see it not be to begin with.
Yeah, it's white.
It was dingy. It was dingy white. We're doing this whole part, right?
Yep.
Is that too much paint?
Nope.
I'm gonna let you do most of the like precision stuff because I'm not really precise, as I'm sure you figured out already. Taylor's, oh, okay. Thank you. Taylor's bleaching my hair for me and he put my tinfoil on. So I'm gonna go look for the aliens outside now. What are you eating? Are you eating Smarties? I don't even like, you didn't even like Smarties. Thank you. So today trim got painted, pretty gold, and my hair is getting painted, which will also probably be not pretty gold. It's probably going to be orange. But that's okay, because that's what happens when you bleach your hair. How do you feel?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. You enjoying your Smarties? With your skeleton over there?
Yep.
Yeah. And you got a cat right here. Hi, Clover. She does look very thrilled with me.
I'm really good at tinfoil, see?
You're really good at tinfoil. I am like ready for Mars.
Yeah, I like one of those Looney Tunes characters.
Like, what's the little,
Martian guy.
yeah, what's his name? What's some Martian's
He
name?
does have a name.
He does.
I used to have him as an action figure.
Yeah. You Google it because it's gonna bother me. Marvin? No. Marvin Marsh? No, that's not it. Is it?
Marvin the Martian.
It is Marvin. Okay, that's what I thought.
This guy?
Yeah, well, I can't see.
The green guy with the weird broomstick head?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The little red. Isn't it like a red thing? Is it red?
Yellow.
Yellow. I don't know what I'm talking
He
about.
wears a red shirt.
Yes, that's what it is. Yeah, Marvin the Martian.
Actually, I've been looking for you ever since we met this morning, and it's like, thank God there's one other person in this town who actually reads.
This is how the hair turned out after one bleach. Just missed a couple little spots of my natural hair color, which isn't too bad. Easy fix. We'll do another bleach in a couple of days. Hopefully lighten the rest of this black to that nice red color in there. A nice coppery color. And we won't touch the natural color on the next round. Or like, no, not natural, but my now bleached blonde color. Yeah. You did good.
No, it's crazy.
What? I said you did good.
Vanilla ice cream right here.
Look at that. 230 pounds. That's the heaviest I've ever been in my life. I'm a size 16.
Look at me. I'll be happy.
You're 205 pounds.
I'll be happy.
You're literally 205 pounds.
I'll be a little bit more happy.
You're literally 205 pounds.
Nope.
Yeah, let's just put it a little more aggressively. Yeah. Stand still, you little jerk.
Oh my god,
Stand
the
still.
300. See that?
Stand still, little jerk. Yeah, because you weigh 205 pounds. Oh, 207. Oh,
On the nose.
207 pounds. Wow.
On the nose.
Wow. I was 228 pounds. I'm 230 pounds. It's the heaviest I've ever been. I'm chunky. I need to go back to the gym.
Sam.
I need to do cardio.
Sam.
I'm chunky and my hair looks funny.
My hair looks funny too.
Your hair looks perfect. You're perfect.
Good. But when it happens, I want it to be because we both needed to for the same reason. You don't have to prove anything to me. I just.
What's he doing? That's it. All right, 10 more minutes of chanting. What is he doing? What are you doing? Oh, okay. Under the bed. Try under the bed.
Here you are.
Hi, Clover.